When homeowners start planning an upgrade, whether it's a new window, a sunroom, doors, or a bathroom remodel, one of the first decisions they face is who to hire. Many people consider a general contractor, but there are several important reasons why choosing Joyce can be a smarter option. Hi, I'm David Schmidt, Bath Project Manager here at Joyce. And today I'm going to go over the difference between us here at Joyce and a general contractor. General contractors often handle many different types of projects. While that versatility can be helpful, it also means that they typically rely on third-party suppliers for material. Here at Joyce, we manufacture many of our own products, which allow for factory direct quality, better consistency, and greater control over craftsmanship from start to finish. Homeowners know exactly what's being installed and can trust that every product is designed to perform and last. Another major difference is warranty protection. With the general contractors, warranties can be limited, split between multiple vendors, and difficult to enforce later on. Joyce offers strong warranties that cover both the product and the installation. And with nearly 70 years in business, Joyce has a proven track record standing behind its work long after the project is completed. Specialization also matters. General contractors handle a wide range of jobs, but Joyce focuses specifically on windows, sunrooms, doors, and bath remodeling. That focused expertise means Joyce installation teams understand every detail of the product, they understand how they perform, how they should be installed, and how to ensure long-term durability. Home improvement is an investment, and value is a key consideration. High-quality, energy-efficient windows, professionally built sunrooms, and well-designed bathrooms can significantly improve comfort while also increasing a home's resale value. Because Joyce emphasizes quality material and skilled installation, homeowners can often see better long-term performance, fewer issues compared to lower-cost, rush contractor work. When you choose Joyce, you're choosing factory direct quality, specialized expertise, reliable warranty, and long-term value. Rather than just hiring someone to complete a project, you're partnering with a company that has decades of experience helping homeowners transfer their home the right way. If you want to know more about Joyce, check out our website, joycefactorydirect.com.